Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On dogs, wanted to do a bit of an update. I did not cover it yesterday and the day before. I thought there were some other cryptos that were just more interesting to cover. But wanted to cover it again today. I mean, someone told me that they actually did some updates in the Telegram channel, so I wanted to look at that real quick. And just in general, wanted to refresh your mind on what the current situation is for dogs. Which unfortunately, I mean, to be fair, dogs at this point of time really is not the best crypto to focus on. If you compare dogs to the market, I mean, the market has been very, very strong with big performers like Fetch, Phantom, Sui, Aptos, and Solana overnight as well. And Bitcoin, of course, just the entire market has rallied, and dogs hasn't. And that's really a blessing and a curse, in the sense that we also saw that with Notcoin, right? So Notcoin also wasn't really bullish when the market was bullish, but what you saw with Notcoin is that there actually was momentum and that it rallied when the market was bearish, and that is not something we're seeing, at least not so far, from dogs. So it's yeah. So they sent some news about a potential about an airdrop of Coop. That's pretty interesting. Like that could be a catalyst, right? So that's fundamentally that's bullish, but in the end, all the information and what the market thinks is always in the chart. And if you look at the chart right now, and this is also what I told you 2 days ago, right? So therefore I also did not cover it. We dropped down below a significant psychological and technical level here around 1,000 or 0.1 cent, right? So 0.001. And that is very much the level we want to break above. Now, do I think we can break above that? Yes. I mean, in the end, if the market remains bullish like this, dogs at this point of time is not as bullish as the market, but I do think that eventually, right, dogs is going to break out if the market stays bullish. But the problem is that so far, even though the market has been bullish, dogs hasn't been able to break out. And one of the key reasons for that is that there's just no real momentum for dogs here. I think a lot of the mind shares already kind of going to hamster combat and to Catison. So those are just fundamentally not great signs for dogs. And then, like I said, if you look at the momentum, there's also no sign of any strong bid coming in, right? So of some whales or a lot of traders getting into dogs. So do I think dogs has a chance? Yes, I do think so. But I think the best way to go about this is just to wait for that level to break. So have a price alert ready. And when we're able to break above 1,000, then if we also have some momentum and the market is fine, the market is not crashing at the very least, then it could be a good buy, right? So something like this, I think it's an opportunity with the first price target at around 1,140. So that opportunity still stands, and I do think that opportunity still has potential. But it makes no sense to keep an eye on dogs every hour, kind of seeing what it's doing. Just place a price alert there. If we're able to break above that on the 1 hour time frame with momentum or on the 4 hour time frame with a strong market, then there's an opportunity. But until then, I would focus on stronger altcoins, right? There's a ton of altcoins that are very, very strong right now. It's just best to focus on that. I would be surprised if DWF Labs, which is the market maker behind dogs, doesn't pump up dogs eventually. But until that pump comes, it makes no sense to hyper focus on this. So those are my thoughts. And right now, the technical structure, excuse me, the technical structure also just is still bearish, right? So that's unfortunate, but that's the situation for now. Like I said, I do think a pump is coming, but it's nothing really to focus too much on for now. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to focus on, and what you need to keep an eye on. If you do have any questions, let me know, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.